So, just to rephrase it, according to you, there was no information in the possession of the EC to show that there are rival groups, and it has to be satisfied.
Yes. Now, the petition.
Can you just rephrase your submission, Mr. Sibal, again on this point?
I'm saying, the jurisdiction of the commission will commence when the commission has it in its possession information on which it is satisfied that there are two rival factions within a political party.
Right. And in this case, what is the...
Now, let's kindly see. Therefore, in the context of this 10th schedule, now just that proposition. In the context of the 10th schedule, the only way you can get a symbol is when there are two rival factions within the party. It has nothing to do with the 10th schedule.
No, this has nothing to do with the 10th schedule.
Correct. Right. So, there has to be a faction emerging. Take, for example, majority of the people in the 10th schedule, are with Thackeray. Let's assume all 55 are with Thackeray. Then also para 15 can be invoked
by somebody making an application.
Because para 15 refers to the party.
That's right. So, the split
refers to
correct. The split has to take, I'm
right.
agreeing. I'm saying exactly.
Right.
That split has to take place within the party.
Right.
That split did not take place on 21st June or immediately thereafter. Never took place. A petition is filed on the 19th of July.
Correct. 19th of July.
Just note that,
19th of July.
19th of July.
19th July, absolutely.
Correct.
Right.
And on the 18th of July, it is alleged, what is submitted along with the petition is minutes of meetings. Minutes of meetings. Well, will my lord allow me to just place before your lordships? Just give it to my lord, please. Yeah, I will give you the copy. This is on 18th July. The matter was fixed in this court on 20th July. The petitions, all petitions were to come up for directions. So from 21st of June to the 18th of July, nothing happened. No faction, no claim for faction. Just give it to my lords, please. Now, on 18th of July, just kindly come to page 7 of this compilation.
What is this? Minutes of meeting of?
Minutes of the meeting
of Shiv Sena,
translation of the Pratinidhi Sabha. Page 7. Typed as page 7.
Where is the Marathi start? Just I can read the English.
Previous to that is the Marathi.
What page?
It says on top.
It says on top, page 48.
48.
3 pages before that. Or before the English version.
6 minutes. 46.
Now, what do you have here? Your lordships may take it, there is no summons for any meeting. No venue for any meeting. No time for any meeting. No signatures obtained at the meeting. Nothing. Just note that, Malaj. No time, no place, no date is given 18 July, no summons. I suppose this is a meeting of the Pratinidhi Sabha of the Shiv Sena. So it must be known to everybody where the meeting is going to be. Summons must be sent like we sent to them. Right? What they do is they give a translation of the minutes of the Pratinidhi Sabha. And in the minutes, they show some resolutions have been passed. Minutes, as your lordship will know, is after the meeting. It can't be before the meeting. Right? Has to be after the meeting. So there is the minutes of the Pratinidhi Sabha, and there are also minutes of the Karyakarni. That your lordships will see at page 10. Again, minutes. Again, when it is held, what time is it held, where it is held. Yes, they say it is held in Bombay. I guess, Malaz, someplace in Bombay. They must have known. Now, Malaz, so 2 minutes are placed before the Election Commission. These 2 minutes.
Subsequent minutes also of what date? 27th?
27th of July. That's even more interesting. Well, just note the note 27 July. And then go back to the petition, Malaz, that they filed. It's very interesting. These are the 2 documents that they placed, nothing more. Plus, of course, appointment of people. We're not into that. Convenience volume 2. Volume 2. Convenience volume 2. Yes. Kindly see PDF page 699. Paragraph 8. Sorry. 698. Where is that? Yes. 698, Romans 626.
PDF page?
PDF page 698. This petition is filed on the 19th of July. Just mark that, Malaz. This averment is made when the petition is filed on 19th July.
What is the page number?
Page number.
698, Malaz. PDF 698. And just go above that, Malaz, Roman 25 at 697, the last 2 lines of that page, if your lordship has that.
Just what is this document that you pointed out?
It says, further, a meeting of the Pratinidhi Sabha was convened on 18th of July. Your lordship has that sentence? Yes. Whereby the petitioner Eknath Shinde was appointed as senior leader and Shiv Sena Mukhya Neta, main leader, minutes of the meeting of the Pratinidhi Sabha. So they say minutes of the meeting are there. No meeting, no place, where it was held, when it was held, who was summoned, nothing. Right. Then come to the next para. A meeting of the Rashtriya Karyakarani was also convened, whereby the Rashtriya Karyakarani has affirmed, now please note this, has affirmed the election of the petitioner as the Shiv Sena senior leader and Shiv Sena Mukhya Neta. Now this is on 19th July and the minutes of that are 27 July. I showed that to your lordship. This petition is filed on 19th July. He says that the petitioner was elected as the senior leader and senior Mukhya Neta. The minutes are dated 27 July. This is what they filed, Manas. So 19th July, they could not have known what would happen on 27 July. And that also minutes of meeting. These are the only 2 documents with the commission. That's why I read paragraph 15. These are the 2 documents with the commission. In respect of, to prove that there are 2 factions arising. And second document was submitted during the course of hearing, but be that, I don't want to go into that. I'm just only interpreting 15. This is the documents in their possession, information on the basis of which Election Commission is satisfied that there are 2 factions within the party. So minutes of meeting, well, that's...
Where are the minutes of meeting here in this compilation page, PDF page?
Yes, we just shown that one. Here and it's not there. That's why we...
It's not an annexure.
That's why I gave that to your lordship.
Just a symbol, but
27th
that's not an annexure to the petition. Are we right?
It's not here, my lord. That's why I gave you a lot.
No, no.
Where are those
What
minutes?
you-
I'm just, let me hear, my lord.
What you have read of this para 26, para 25 refers to annexure P5, which is the minutes of the meeting of the.
We haven't put it, my lord. That's minutes.
May not have, but the petition also doesn't enclose it, is what we are trying to
Yes,
understand.
yes. That was handed over, my lord. It doesn't say. That's why we gave it to your lordship.
That is of the 27th.
Yes. So now it says 27th. This petition is filed on 29th. These are. They did enclose the. Second one they didn't enclose. First one they've enclosed. P5 they enclosed. So, my lord, these are the two documents with the commission. Now, if you read paragraph 15, this represents two factions in the party, the minutes of meeting. That's how the election commission, my lords, got jurisdiction, according to them. And, my lords, this is a final order. This is kindly just look at it. I can understand if the commission says lead evidence. I can understand, please prove your case. On this basis, a final order is passed, which is the subject matter of challenge in the other proceeding. That's how they got the symbol. So what does the governor do? What does the election commission do? And this is the evidence. And then we have to, we must ensure, we must trust that all institutional authorities function in accordance with the law. And if this kind of manipulation takes place, my lords, in the processes of institutional decision making, where we go, my lords, where we will go, I don't know. I am done, my lords. I just want to make one non-statement. I stand here not for this case. I may lose it, I may win it. That's another matter. But I stand here, my lords, for the protection of what is so close to our heart. Institutional integrity, and to ensure that constitutional processes survive. Otherwise, if your lordships endorse such a position, it will be the death knell of what we have cherished since 1950. Thank you.
Thank you.